Hi all. In today I have come up with one case study that is bionic eye. So let us discuss how does this bionic eye evolved and what is the empathy part of this. So as all we know that the eye disease and eye disorder is one of the major problem which has affected many people's quality of life, right? So as per the World Health Organization, they says that moreover the 40 million people suffering from the blindness all over the worldwide, and 135 million people are affected by just because of low visions. So to address this problem, the researchers they have done so much groundwork and they have come up with a beautiful innovation. That concept is called bionic eyes. It is one of the artificial eye implant which makes the people or support the people who are unable to see or they can just see partially because of injury or illness or genetic disorders. Yes, let's see first how does the normal eyes works before getting into the concept of bionic eye. So we know that in order to have a proper vision, we need one source that is called light. So in presence of light only we can able to see the things clearly, right? So the light once it get into the eye, then only we can able to see the things clearly. So the light has to light which is reflected from the object has to get enter into the eye through the pupil and lens, and these light with the help of the lens which may fall onto the retina, that is the back of the eye. We know that the retina is the innermost layer of the eye, which is concentrated with so many photoreceptors, that is rods and cones, which is responsible for color vision and dark vision, right? So these photoreceptors once it is being simulated with the intensity of light, it will get converted into equivalent electrical signal. So this is the area where the light signal will get converted into the electrical signal. This is the form where the brain easily understood and processed further in order to visualize the image. And then these once it get converted into electrical signals through the optic nerve, this electrical signal travel and to reach the brain where the images will get interrupted what we would like to see. So this is how the normal healthy eye does work. Okay, so what are the major eye problem, that is vision destroying problem, illness it's prevailing in these days in the case? There are too many reasons. One reason is which is related to the aging reason, another one is the inherited, that is genetic reason. Okay, so one such problem is called retinitis pigmentosa. So this is the one type of genetic disorders where the some part of cells is being affected, especially in the retina. So once the retina is affected, we can't able to see the things properly, right? So this is called which end up with blindness. Another thing which is related to age is nothing but it's a macular degeneration. We used to call it as AMD, that is age related macular degeneration, is a one type of eye disease which affect the people's vision clarity. So the people lose their central vision, especially because a reason is that the macular part of the retina is get damaged. That is why the name of the disease is called macular degeneration. So the macula, we know that the macula is the main part which is responsible for clear vision acuity. We can have a proper detailed vision. So once this part is affected, the people will lose their vision, central vision. They can't see anything in detailed in nature. So this is the one kind of problem which is related to the age, that is age-related macular degeneration. So by addressing these two main diseases, that is aging process disease and inherited disease, they have developed one device that is nothing but the bionic eyes. These bionic eyes actually filling the gap or replacing the function what actually the retinas do. Okay, so let's see how does this eye technology, bionic eye technology has been evolved. So after so many ground work and the research work and day and night efforts offered by so many research and scientists, in 2029 the world first trial of a bionic eye is come into the picture. That the world first trial of bionic eye is nothing but Argus 2. They have been implemented first to the patient with the retinitis pigmentosa, and then followed by they have been implemented to the 10 people's 10 patient with the same disorders, and they have found out that the people have very good response. They could able to see the shape and patterns to the some extent. Okay, and then followed by in 2013 the US Food and Drug Administration give approval to legally approve this device to commercialized to come into the market, ready for to make it for use. And then in 2020-21, with the help of as per ACM, that is the American Computing Model Association, they have developed one supercomputer model to mimic exactly what is how does the retina or human retina works. So with this technology they can replicate the shapes and position of millions of nerve cells, and also the main thing of this advanced computer model is to improvise or enhance the color vision and also improvise the clarity of the vision. Yes, and then there are some scientists at University of Sydney. They have worked out so many trials with the Phoenix 99 Bionic Eye in the sheep, just to determine how the body heals when they implemented when we have implanted this device inside the body. And then same in other side, the China scientists at Harbin Institute of Technology, they have developed a low power system to control the synaptic device, the bionic eyes. This innovation is considered to be one of the significant breakthrough and so far. So these many researchers still going on to have further innovation or some further improvisation to come in to bring into the model to have a better vision for the people to support the quality of the well-being, right? So this how the bionic eye evolved right from 2009 to current state. Okay, so let's see how does this bionic eye work. So this is the visualize the picture. This is the bionic eye, or this how it appears. It's just look like it comes with one goggles, that specs, and inside you will implemented one receptor kind of thing inside your eye, that is the back of your eye, and in front you will be having the camera. Okay, let's see one by one. So the first one, that is the in front part, it's nothing but it's a camera. It acts as your artificial pupil. You can see the image such as like our pupil, how does our pupils do. And second part is nothing but is a receiver, which is implemented at the back side of your ear. So it will process the data what you have captured from the camera, and then you have the connection between this receiver to the back side of the eye through the wires. So it will carry the information from the receiver to the wire, so that it will get connected to the optic nerve. So the bridging the gap is the fourth part. Okay, so see here, this is the bridging the part. This part what will do in the what it's supposed to do in the sense, it will replace the functioning of the heart, functioning of the retina. Okay, so what does the retina do? It will convert the light signal into electrical signal, right? So same it will act here. So it will do the function of the retina. So that is the fourth part. And fifth part is the circuit implement. So this fifth part is a circuit which will transmit all the electrical signal, equivalent electrical signal of the light to the optic nerve, through which the optic nerve it's being connected to the brain, so that the brain process this information, so that the people can see something like dark, light, dark, some movements and shapes. So this how the normal the bionic wise works. So these are the different parts which covers in this system. So just it will replace the working function of the retina. We will have so many supporting device and the supporting parts and implants, so that the people have more or less equivalent to the normal vision. So the first implementation of the bionic eye, it's happened to the people that is for a grandfather of Het Hyman in 2009. He actually is diagnosed with retinus pigmentosa when he was in 20s of his age, and then he continued his life few years with a few years, and then later he is being fitted with a bionic eye at Manchester Royal Eye Hospital in 2009, and so that after implanted this, they could able to see the difference between right and dark, and could they even could detect what is how the people moving and people movements and so on. So the this the he is the one the to whom the bionic eye is being implemented. So this is the message first he said after implementation of the bionic eye. He said with with so much emotion, with emotionally, it means they can see their grandchildren for the first time because of this bionic eye. So they improvised the help of this bionic eye. They have some emotionally bonding, so it's like a heart touching one. Yes, so this is the first implementation of world first bionic eye to the people, that is Kate Heyman, for the grandfather of Kate Heyman in 2009. Yes, thank you guys.